applying a catalyzed automotive acrylic enamel with a Graco XP60. This Graco gun has the high conductivity kit, and it has the internal mix round pattern nozzle kit, which allows you to dial back the atomizing air pressure to almost nothing, which increases your transfer efficiency. Now I'm painting this refrigerator in the middle of an apartment in a duplex that I bought. It's all renovated, the hardwood floors are all done. I'm not even using a mask. And the only overspray, if you look at the base, I got a little bit of overspray down on the plastic, which I don't care because it's just plastic. It's going to be thrown away. I mean, this refrigerator looks like a brand new refrigerator now. I mean, you can see where I'm going. You can see the paint hitting the green masking tape. And I'm using Omni MAE single stage acrylic enamel that's catalyzed with the hardener. I mean, there is no cloud, there is no paint in the air here. This refrigerator was scuffed up and looked used, but the inside looked perfect. And all it needed to be was correctly prepared. And I'm just putting on 2-3 coats of this catalyzed acrylic enamel. And I think I'm done. How's it look to you?
Looks new.
So I mixed up exactly 8 ounces of Omni MAE acrylic enamel single stage, catalyzed it, put in about 10% of the fast reducer, and that 8 ounces has given me enough material to give this refrigerator 3 coats of paint, and I've got paint left over in my 2-quart pressure cup. I'm just using up the paint now. Very important that you have to have a good earth ground. I'm using the underground copper water pipes coming into this building as my earth ground, and it's working perfectly fine. That's it, I'm done.